this. Right, okay. Okay. What I was saying is you don't take text, okay, let's come back to this. I continue my journey until I took the final step to the base camp. If you take this, if you remember this sentence, right? And if I go back to the question, you will see that the text is actually here. You see that? So this is already way beyond the line 27. And why would you take from here, right? So the text is from here. This part. This is not in the part that the question asks. The question say take here, take 6, line 6 to line 27. It's only this part, right? So if you take it from here, even my baby, 3-year-old baby can understand it's definitely the wrong answer, right? So try to avoid this kind of just pointless mistakes, right? Okay, let's move on. Yeah, move on. Right, 24, 23. Okay, this one is another case. This is a new case. If we look at this, let me zoom in. There's no problem with this answer. But if you look at this, right, and you realize the final sentence that this person gives me is actually a sentence that is, I don't think it's from the text, okay? Meaning to say maybe, or maybe I couldn't find it now, but looks like this person writes the sentence by himself or herself. So this is not coming from the text. And I wanted to leave this comment, but I feel like it's only one sentence. So the point is, this is not a story writing. You don't write anything from your own brain, and you don't make your own conclusion. Everything you take, it is from the text. Okay? I don't think there's the writer said anything about going back to the country. I could be wrong, but the idea is you don't make your own new sentence or new ending, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's a different case. That's one. Okay, the final one is very interesting. I want to show you this. Once in a while, when I look at your paper, I can understand what kind of strategy you are using. So this person, if you look at this person, it's good. I think it's a she. She writes the beginning with the sentence given. Okay, she has all the points. She got 10. Okay, but what I want to say is, I want you to look at this part. I'm guessing this is how she ended up with this, right? You see there's a different color here. So I think when she writes this, she realized she only has one words, right? So then she understands that it's not enough. So she probably went back and looked for some other things to write so that she could add more words. And that's why there's a blue pen here. The rest is all black pen. So there's a blue pen here, and I'm guessing she just adds it on just to make sure that there's more words, another 6 more words. It's still very little, but the effort is there. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. You need to find some ways that fits you, some ways that can help you get to that 130 word count. Okay, that is also why I always suggest you count your words first. You arrange them conteng in the paper. You add here, you add there, and then you calculate everything. Once you are done, then you put that in the answer space. So you don't need to guess. You know exactly going into the answer sheets. You know exactly how many words you have, and you just have to write down the word counts at the end of it. Okay, so for summary part, some of you did pretty well. So I want to give a shout out to these people. These people scored 10. That means they got all the 10 points for the content point. Okay, so I have Shirin, Esther, Harmila, Valen, Adnan, Jason. Okay, and then Stanley, Gracie, and Sarah. So these are the people that they managed to get all the 10 points. But language point, slowly we will improve it together. I am a bit stingy this time. I don't want to give you too high marks because I know you can do better, right? So that's for language point. So one small little thing spoon, I just give you, like if you don't count your words, you don't start your summary with the sentence given, or you give me too little, you give me too much, I only give you 1 language point. Okay, so that's what happened this time. Right, let me just clear this one. Okay, so that's my sharing for summary today. I actually have something for you to try, but I don't know if the timing is okay. Do you still want to stay and do this? Can you respond to me? No? No? Okay. Is this a yes or no? Can you type again? Oh, okay. Right. Okay, so what I'll do, I think the timing is a bit off. What I'll do is I'll just share in the group. Okay. The question is here. The question is here. And then you try it on. You try it on your own. Okay. Right.